series of intense storms has swept across central and northern Mexico, bringing heavy rainfall, sudden flooding, and major disruptions to daily life. From Querétaro to the state of Mexico and Coahuila, streets turned into temporary waterways as drainage systems struggled to handle the volume of water. In Menchaca y Querétaro, afternoon rains quickly flooded several roads, slowing traffic and forcing residents to navigate carefully through rising water. Nearby in Peñuelas, growing frustration emerged among locals over delayed drainage construction. The project, initially expected to be completed by June, has now been postponed to September, just as early season rains begin to intensify concerns over safety and long-term flooding risks. Conditions remained unstable across Querétaro City, particularly along Calle Obreros and Avenida 5 de Febrero near Tecamac, where water accumulation disrupted traffic flow and daily activity. Drivers were urged to proceed with caution as visibility and road conditions deteriorated during peak rainfall.
El señor.
Meanwhile, in the state of Mexico, the Perinorte descent towards Ciudad Labor was severely affected by flooding. Water covered large sections of the road, bringing traffic to a near standstill and forcing authorities to advise motorists to avoid key routes leading toward Via José López Portillo and the Mexico-Querétaro Highway. In Tecamac, a sudden downpour near Puente de Real del Cid on the Mexico-Pachuca Highway escalated into a dangerous situation when a public transport vehicle became stranded in rising floodwaters. Passengers were forced to evacuate through windows before emergency responders arrived, highlighting the sudden severity of the storm. Further north in Ciudad Acuña, Coahuila, a powerful thunderstorm brought intense rain, lightning, and localized flooding. Areas around IMSS Clinic 92 and nearby commercial zones were particularly affected, disrupting services and daily routines. Across multiple regions, these rapid and repeated weather events are raising serious questions about infrastructure, resilience, and preparedness as Mexico faces increasingly unpredictable rainfall patterns